So sometimes you're in Kdenlive and you just wanted to use a sound effects into your video, something like this. But then you're looking for the sound effects and you go into the internet and you search everything. Now Kdenlive make it easy so that you can just go straight to the right place and just get the sound effects that you want to, and then you can import it back into Kdenlive. So here's what we can do. First, we have a video that we want to speed ramp the beginning of the clip from here all the way to this part here. Use the time remapping here to create it. Now we did a video before, but Kdenlive has been updated, so we want to show you how to use the time remapping again inside Kdenlive. So first of all you have to do is activate it by coming up to the file, to the view here, and then you can see time remapping. Once you click that, it does not activate it yet unless you activate it using the clip. So this is what we have now. We can expand this a little bit. Now usually by default, when you click on this time remapping, your time remapping will appear here with the audio mixer and other things from here. So all you have to do is just simply click and drag it up here, just like this. You click on the effects that you want to move around and you bring it to the location that you want to place it in. Okay, so the next thing is to place a guide or a marker. Simply hit G and then you have this, and then let's type in something like the end and then click OK. You can change the different color or whatever color that you want to change to, but just click OK. And here is the marker. Why do we have to add this marker? Because it's going to help us to place the right location of the keyframe. So you are here now. We select the clip on the timeline and you do a right click, and then you have this time remap, and then click on the time remap here. Now once you do that, you can see already here you already activated the time remapping. Now you can see that you have the options of adding or removing the keyframe, and then you have the speed before and speed after. These are important things that you need to know for this simple time remapping for Kdenlive. Okay, so the next thing is to place our playhead with the guide here. So simply click the guide and it's going to add the playhead, and right on the time remapping source clip here, you can see already here we got this playhead placed here. Now we already activated the keyframe here, so let's just add that one. Now there are two options. Either you simply grab onto this and drag it here, or you simply type in the figure or the number that you know in here. So the speed before is from the beginning of the clip to where you add the marker, and the speed after is from the marker to the end of the clip. So that's the differences between speed before and speed after. So we need to just simply grab onto this one and bring it down like that. And here we have, that's it. So you can see that from the beginning of the clip, from here, it's speed up somewhere here. So the next thing to do is to add a little bit of sound effect into this. So all we have to do is go again to the view, or you can just click here and you can see online resources. So either you come to this little icon here, the arrow down on the project bin here, and then you can see the online resources, or you can come to the view and activate the online resources. Either way, once we do that, you can see here. Now from here you can see we have the different services. If you click here, you have the pre-sound, Internet Archive, movies, pixel photos, different things here that you can just go and download that. So from here we want to go pre-sound. Pre-sound, again, you can use the Creative Commons licensing, so you're free to use. Give credit to the creator of the sound. Okay, so from here now we have the whoops there, and then we can select which one we want to. So I just want to select this one, and then click on the link to get us to the browser so that we can be able to download that. It brings us to the sound effects that we just selected. So the thing is, it will not give you what you're looking for, so make sure to create an account. Like I just created my account here, and then from here we can set in to look for the sound. So we just click on the sound, or since I already click on the sound, it gets me here. So I put on the what I was looking for, and then simply hit enter to set that, and it gives you different sound effects here. So you can just play which one. You can see the wave and know what you're looking for. For this one, let's just play this one and have a listen. kind of like a punching thing, so I don't want that. Next one. This much little bit okay. And different types of sound effects under the name that you just provided in. So once you do that, simply click on the name itself and it gets you to here, and then you can click download the sound effect that you want to download, and download it into any of one of the folder that you have created in there. And all you have to do, once you finish downloading it, go to the folder that you just download everything in and drag it into Kdenlive. And here we have the different sounds that we just downloaded in. So I'll just bring this one down and place it here. This is where I know where the playhead, speed it up to somewhere here. Okay, that's where the cap or the steep cap, once it comes in, slow down from here until it matches. Okay, from here we need to control the sound. We don't want this loud sound. So if you want this, you can leave it like that, but if you want to reduce that, you can see this is the audio mixer that the sound effects that we added in. It is the audio mixer here. So you see this is the master, which is control every sound that you have added onto your video. So no need to control, just leave it this one as the default. But here, this we have the audio 1, we have the audio 2, which corresponds to audio 1 and audio 2. So what we can do in audio 1, we can just reduce this a little bit down, something like that. You're just adjusting the volume of audio track 1. Okay, so this is the final video that comes out from what we just did. Thank you again for watching.